Alexander Stuart's Jock Sturrock MBE was a noted Australian yachtsman who won over 400 national and state championship yachting races. He won his first Australian yachting championship in the 12-foot Cadet dinghy Monsoon in 1932 at the age of 12 in Perth. At 18 he helped pioneer the introduction of the international star class into Australia, and won the first 8 Australian championships in that class. He was 3-time Australian 6-metre class champion, 3-time Australian Dragon class champion, and 2-time Australian 5.5-metre class champion. He represented Australia in 4 Olympic Games: 1948 London, 1952 Helsinki, 1956 Melbourne, and 1960 Rome. He was the Australian flag bearer at the opening ceremony of the Rome Olympic Games. He achieved international public recognition when he skippered Australia's first challenge for the America's Cup in Gretel in 1962. Although defeated 4-1 by Weatherly, Gretel's victory in the second race was the first by a challenger since 1934, and is widely recognized as the first of the events that resurrected the America's Cup as an international sporting competition. He also skippered Dame Patty, Australia's second America's Cup challenger, in 1967, which was beaten 4-0 by the highly controversial defender Intrepid. He also represented Australia multiple times as an ocean racing skipper in the Admiral's Cup and the Kenwood Cup, managed 2 successful Australian campaigns for the and sailed in 11 Sydney-Hobart races. Between 1972 and 1980 he was a member of the Olympic Fundraising Committee. In 1962 Jock Sturrock was Australian of the Year, Australian Yachtsman of the Year, and Australian Sportsperson of the Year. In 1975 he was appointed a member of the Order of the British Empire for services to yachting. Sturrock was inducted into the Sport Australia Hall of Fame. Other tributes to him include a street named after him in the Canberra suburb of Gordon, a court in the Melbourne suburb of Mill Park, and a bridge in Noosa, Queensland.